Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Hope you are doing great. So today I'm gonna share with you Good Vibes Cucumber Glow Toner review. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with your family and friends. So without any further delay, let's get started. Good Vibes Cucumber Toner comes in a sturdy dark brown plastic bottle with spray mechanism attached on top. The dispenser is secured with a plastic cap. All the product related details are mentioned on the bottle and it is travel friendly since it is sleek and spill proof. It actually smells like cucumber juice and it isn't too strong, so it won't irritate sensitive noses. The toner is light green in color and almost watery. I simply spray it over my face and tap with my hands. I have never used cotton pad to apply this. It gets absorbed pretty fast and does make my skin a little glowing and refreshed instantly, but the glow does not stay that long. It provides little bit of hydration, but if you have very dry skin, you will not feel your skin hydrated or anything like that. Rather, it will dry out your skin. It is able to absorb excess oil without making skin dry or stretchy. The toner will balance oily combination skin and gives an oil-free glow, while it can make dry skin slightly dull if you don't apply in a good moisturizer immediately. Overall, I think Good Vibes Cucumber Glow Toner is a very nice toner for normal combination and oily skin types. It gives an instant glow and keeps skin fresh all day long. It helps tighten pores a bit but does not remove them completely. The toner is free of alcohol, parabens, SLS and has never irritated my skin. Positive side of this toner: budget friendly, convenient spray bottle, travel friendly, gives an instant glow, refresh skin, balance oil combination skin, help keep my skin fresh for long. Negative side of this toner: glow does not last long, not suitable enough for dry skin and contain perfume. Overall rating 5 out of 4. Thanks for watching this video.